Here we are, folks. I told you we almost done. We almost down to the nitty gritty, y'all. Module 5, mistake number 5, not replacing your habits with empowering alternatives. Lesson 5.1, high value habit stacking. And what that means, taking an existing habit that you already have and connecting it with a new habit by stacking it on top of each other, really using the before after technique. You see what I'm saying? After you brush your teeth, drinking a glass of water, or after you eat a big meal, going for a small walk, or after you wake up in the morning, instead of smoking that cigarette, do a little 10-minute workout, 10-minute workout, push ups, stuff like that. On top of that, on top of habit stacking, this helps with your brain building neural pathways for the new habit. You see what I'm saying? For the new habit to stick. This is what helps with that. This is how habit stacking works. Once you do that, you got to find once you find what type of habits you have, your existing habits, you connect them with your new habit. Doing that helps to keep the habit, helps to build the habit even easier, which is using the using the formula of Q, which is the trigger. When the new habit, the old habit, once you connect it with the new habit, it triggers it for you to remind yourself to do the new habit. So you would do the cue, then you would do the routine, then you would do the reward. So that's how it works. That's what habit stacking is. Once you figure that out, figure out your habits and what new habits you want to incorporate with it. Hey, stack them together. There you go. You build a new habit, new pathways, new neurological pathways for better connections.